So I had to start the video over, so we're just going to continue. So the metals that I have an aluminum lid, I have a spoon, I have paper clips, a key ring, and I have money. So here's the industrial $3 or $4 magnet. Here's the Dollar Tree magnet. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm not going to do all of them because I want you to be the one to discover what is attracted to the magnets, or what the magnets are attracted to, what the magnet pulls to it. And then I want you to see the difference in the strength of the magnets. Now, like I was saying, the magnets have a positive and a negative side, and so they both have that. So I'm going to see which side it's flipped onto. So those are attracted because one's a positive and one's a negative. But if you notice, if you flip it over, it wants to do the same thing. But because now it's moving the other magnet because they are both the same size. And it's moving and it's not attracting it. So now it's pushing it. So before it was pulling it, and then it's going to push it away. If I could get it to go away. There you go. So there's one example of the difference in the positive and the negatives of the magnets. So as an example, I'm going to show you the difference between the two magnets of the strength of the strength of the two magnets with the spoon, to see if, for one, if the magnets will pull it to it or push it away. So here's the Dollar Tree magnet, and to see if it actually pulls it to it. And it does. It's pulling and holding it to it. And so if the weak magnet works, then I know that the stronger magnet is going to work. And it actually pulled it to it faster. So you can see by the strength of this magnet and the strength of this magnet, which now my magnet's rolling. So they're both, I'm going to set them up both to see which one's stronger. And I want you to, if I could do this one-handed, let's see if I could set this down and try it this way without it falling. Turn it sideways maybe. Well, it's not going to work. But you understand what I'm trying to do. So you will have help to see the difference in the strength of the magnets and which one's obviously stronger and which one pulled faster. So if you notice that the Dollar Tree magnet right here, it pulls the spoon to it, but not very fast. It doesn't, not a whole lot of strength there. It takes a little bit of effort. But with this one, this more industrial size magnet, it's stronger. You could hear the sound and how it hits the magnet, how strong it is, and just the difference. It actually pulled it right up to it. So now what I want you guys to do is do your own experiment with your two different magnets. And again, see if you could find an aluminum lid. I got paper clips, I've got keys, money, and then a spoon. And then you have your two dishes of a yes and no. And then I want you to collect your data. And once you collect your data, you can write it down, and there's your observations of your science experiment of pushing and pulling of the magnets. And then when you've done that, you will turn in your assignment to me, and we will have a discussion. Thank you very much. You guys have a great evening.